Now students, that cyclic or closed chain compounds are further converted into two groups, that is homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic and heterocyclic. First of all, we will discuss homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds are the compounds in which ring consists of only carbon atom. That if ring is there, then ring will consist of carbon atoms only. Ring will consist of carbon atoms only. Homocyclic compounds are further converted into alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic and aromatic. First of all, we'll tell about alicyclic. Alicyclic compounds, ring of 3 or more carbon atoms. In alicyclic are the compounds that consist of ring of 3 carbon atoms resembling the aliphatic compounds. Why they are resembling aliphatic compounds? Because there is no aromatic compounds in it. Aromatic means benzene. No benzene ring is present. No alternate double or triple bond are present. That is why it is aliphatic compounds. It consists of ring of 3 or more carbon atoms. These are saturated hydrocarbons. And their formula is CnH2n. Mostly saturated hydrocarbons are alicyclic hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, and they have general formula CnH2n. That if C is 1, then H is equal to 2 into 1, then C1H2 will be there. If C is equal to N is equal to 2, if N is equal to 2, then what will be the number of carbon atom? That will be 2. Here N, in place of N we have written 2. And what will be the number of hydrogen atom? That is 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, 4, C2H4. That will be there. Now they have given the example, that is cyclopropane. If propane is there, then there will be 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms present in the ring, that is 1, 2 and 3. They are connected to each other, that is cyclo and propane. No double bond is present, that is why it is called as propane. It is cyclohexene. Hexene is there, then 6 carbon will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon are there, and it is in the form of cycle. And hexene is saying, that's why 1 double bond will also be there. Next is aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons, the type of homocyclic hydrocarbons. That is aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons contain at least 1 benzene ring, 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternate single or double bond. It means, what is benzene ring? It consists of 6 carbon atom, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternate single and double bond. 3 single bonds are there, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double bonds are there, 1, 2 and 3. 3 double bonds are there. They can alternate with each other. That single double bond can come here, that double bond can come here, and that double bond can come here. That they alternate with each other. And it can also be represented by a circle within the benzene. That circle is showing the alternation of single and double bond. Side chain may be attached to the ring of aromatic hydrocarbon, that it is the benzene ring, and any side chain can be attached to that ring. If CH3, that is methyl group, is attached to the benzene ring, that will be termed as toluene. If OH group is attached, that will be termed as phenol. More than one benzene ring can also be attached in aromatic hydrocarbon to each other. In aromatic hydrocarbon, more than one benzene ring can be attached to each other. That is, one benzene ring and another benzene ring attached to each other, and it make to form naphthalene. If 3 benzene ring combine to each other, then it will be called as anthracene. Now what is we have done that homocyclic. In homocyclic, only carbon atoms are present in the ring. In the ring only carbon atoms are present. Outside the ring, OH can be present, CH3 can be present, SH can be present, and other groups can also be present. But within the rings, only carbon atoms are present in homocyclic hydrocarbons. In heterocyclic hydrocarbons, rings consist of atoms of more than one kind, where that within the rings other atoms can also be present. That atoms which are present in addition to carbon atoms, that are called as heteroatoms, and these atoms can be nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. If nitrogen is present in the place of carbon atom, that here is one carbon atom, here is another carbon atom, here is another, here is also carbon atom, here is also carbon atom, and here in place of carbon atom nitrogen atom is present, and if nitrogen atom is present in place of carbon, it is called as pyridine, 6-cornered ring, and it is 5-cornered ring. Here carbon is present, here also carbon, 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 and here in place of carbon oxygen is present, that is furan. If NH is present, that is pyrrole, and if S is present, that will be thiophene.